Okay, just looking at it, they give me something, and they said this big F is equal to this integration, and I'm just gonna differentiate it. And what would you get? Big F prime would equal. Well, this looks pretty easy to do. What's it gonna be? It's just gonna be F at x. I'll put this over here. Right now, they also tell me something else. They tell me that this F of x is that function. So I could write this down. F prime of x is actually the same thing as x squared, because that's f of x, right? Minus 13x plus 40. All right, so what I'm going to do over here, it says, find the critical points of f. Well, the critical points of f, I'd have to get f's derivative, and I know it, it's just that big f. Differentiate it. So what I got to do, I got to find out where this is 0 now, because it's defined everywhere. So let's see if we can do that, and I'll try to see if I can factor that. So I'm going to say x and x. I'm going to say 8 and 5 minus minus. So the critical points would be x equals 8, and the other one is going to be x equals 5. All right? So find the critical points of fx and determine whether they local minimum or maximum. Well, I got to write this down now. So I'm going to write the derivative down, f prime, and there's two numbers. It's 5 and 8. And I'm going to do sign analysis now. And where you're doing it, you're doing it over here. So if you pick a number like 10, plug it in, it's positive, which means increasing. That means the big F is increasing. And between 5 and 8, I pick 7, you plug it in, it's going to be negative. That means the big F is decreasing. And over here, if you pick 0, what do you get? You get a positive. All right, so I'm going to say a max occurs here and a min occurs here. And these are relative. All right, let's take a look, see if we did okay. The critical points are 5 and 8. We got that right. We did simple sign analysis, and we found out a maximum occurs at 5 and a minimum occurs at 8. We did okay. Let's go to B. Find the points of inflection. What I got to do? Another derivative. Let's put this down. So I got to put down big F double prime. What's that going to be? It's going to be 2x. I'm sorry, it's a 13x there. Minus 13. What's the value, critical value there? It's going to be when x equals 13 halves. All right? So I'll put a number line down, put 13 halves on it. I'll put the this second derivative over here. And, simple sign analysis. To the right of 13 halves is going to be positive, which means concave up. To the left of 13 halves, it's going to be negative, which means concave down. And let's see if we got the question going. Find the point of inflection. The point of inflection is going to be 13 over 2, and then big F 13 over 2. No, I'm not going to do the arithmetic over there. Let's see if we got it. And the point of inflection occurs at 13 halves. I got that part. The concavity changes from down to up. Let's see if there's another question. And you know what? I think that's the end of that problem set. Thank you.